Hello learners, welcome to Learn All-in-One Blocks. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I am Nagajyoti. Welcome back to Legal Maxims. Today we are going to see some more legal maxims. Now let us go and see the first word here. Legal maxim ad arbitrium. In English it is at will. In Telugu yadechchaga. The second one, legal term ad interium. In English in the meanwhile. In Telugu antalo. Next, ad litem. In English for the suit. In Telugu dava korak. Next, a fortiori. In English for a stronger reason. In Telugu balamaina karanam valana. Next, legal term alia enormia. In English other wrongs. In Telugu itara tappidamulu. Next, legal term allo intuitu. In English with a motive other than ostensible and proper one. In Telugu కనబడుచున్న దానికంటే లేక నిజమైన దానికంటే వేరే ఉద్దేశముతో. నెక్స్ట్, లీగల్ టర్మ్ animus cancellandi. In English the intention of cancelling. In Telugu రద్దు చేసే ఉద్దేశం. Next, animus diserendi. In English in the intention of deserting a spouse. In Telugu భర్తను భార్య కానీ భార్యను భర్త కానీ విడిచివేసే ఉద్దేశం. Okay learners, thank you for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Learn All-in-One Blocks. You will be getting some more content like this, like like this in the sense like legal concepts. Even I have Instagram ID Learn All-in-One Blocks. Please do follow me there. It is very useful for judicial aspirants and even for LLB students. And please do like, share and subscribe to my channel All-in-One Blocks. Until then, bye bye. See you in the next video.